Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with another AI model update, and if you're using any of my AI powered EAs, this video should definitely be a priority for you. When you're running a trading system with AI at its core, it's important to keep that AI engine up to date. The model behind the system can have a direct impact on the quality of analysis and decision making, so staying current really matters. Guys, this week I came across something interesting that I wanted to share with you. Most of the time, people focus on overall gross number or general popularity when looking at AI models. But OpenRouter also has a dedicated finance ranking that specifically measures how well models perform in financial analysis and related decision-making tasks. And what's interesting is that the results look quite different from the overall leaderboard. Take a look at the models that perform best in finance this week, and that you can also test inside AUTORITHM AI bots. First up is DeepSeek version 4 Flash 0731, currently sitting at the #1 spot in the finance category. What's impressive is that it's not just doing well in finance, it's also ranked #1 in health and #2 in academia. So we're looking at a very well-rounded model that's performing strongly across multiple areas, including analysis, reasoning, coding, and more complex tasks. Coming in at #2 is High-Tree by Tencent. One of the things I really like about this model is that you can adjust how deeply it reasons. You can keep it light and fast for simpler tasks, or increase the reasoning deeper when dealing with more complex analysis and multi-step problems. That's specifically useful in financial work where accuracy matters and you want to minimize incorrect conclusions. In third place, we have another DeepSeek model version 4 Flash 0423. It may not be the newest version anymore, but it's still a very solid performer thanks to its speed, efficiency, and consistent results. Okay, next one, the list is GLM 5.2 from ZAI. This model is designed more for long and complex workflows, and its massive context window allows it to progress a huge amount of information at once. And rounding out the top 5 is GPT-5.6 Luna from OpenAI. It's a fast and cost-efficient model that's well suited for high-volume workloads and day-to-day use. There are also a couple of additional options worth looking at if you need more processing power for heavier analysis. At #9, you can see we have DeepSeek version 4 Pro. This is a seriously powerful model that's much better suited for deep reasoning. And at #11, MiMo version 2.5 by Xiaomi. This one can understand both text and images, and it comes in roughly half the cost of many pro-level models, which makes it an interesting option for users looking for a balance between capability and cost. And guys, one important note. Some of you have probably heard about Google Gemini 3.6 Flash, which saw an impressive 451% growth in overall usage this week. But when we look specifically at the finance ranking, it's only sitting at #37. That suggests most of its recent growth is coming from areas like coding and web development rather than financial analysis. So for now, I'd rather wait and see how it performs over the next few weeks before considering it a top choice for trading related tasks. To wrap things up, if your main focus is financial analysis and trading performance, my top picks right now would be DeepSeek version 4 Flash 0731, DeepSeek version 4 Flash 0423, and High-Tree by Tencent. You can easily switch to any of these models from the AUTORITHM AI bot settings and test them for yourself. I'll be back in the coming weeks with the latest ranking and updates. So make sure to stay tuned. See you in the next week.